everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa, and nope, you're not seeing double. I'm wearing the exact same getup as in my gluten-free roll recipe. Why? It's because I have like my last 5 videos for a gluten-free Thanksgiving that need to all go up by Wednesday. Do I think I'm gonna make it? No, but I'm gonna attempt. And the only thing that I'm missing is my intro, so that's why you're seeing exactly the same thing that you saw in the last video. And it's because I'm filming them back to back. But if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I have a whole bunch of gluten-free videos, but lately I have been doing gluten-free Thanksgiving, so I'm getting up as many videos as I can for anything gluten-free that is Thanksgiving related. I'm trying to have us not miss out on anything, so to me, I hope that I'm doing a good enough job and I'm getting enough stuff out for you guys. But yes, today's video is going to be my gluten-free cranberry sauce. Now, I don't know if the cranberry sauce that's in like the can is gluten-free. I'm not sure, but instead I'm just gonna show you guys this way. We're using normal cranberries, we're using just everything basically at home. All of it is gluten-free, just in case those things aren't. But don't quote me, I'm not sure. To be honest, I haven't even looked. But yeah, if you guys would like to see the way that I make my gluten-free cranberry sauce, then go ahead and keep on watching. Now, when I say that this recipe is super easy, it's super easy. We're basically just kind of like babysitting it. There's not a lot that goes into it, so just letting you know. So we're gonna get 1 bag of cranberries. Now, of course, if you're making this for a bunch of people, I would probably double the recipe, but that's completely up to you and how you like it and stuff like that. We're gonna put 1 cup of cranberries to the side. The rest of the bag goes in, and then we're gonna add a 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Now, we don't add as much sugar because I like it a little more tangy. My husband likes it sweet, but to me, I'm not the biggest fan of sweet with it. For some reason, I just like the tangy, so that's up to you. If you want it a little bit more with a zang to it, then add less sugar. If you want it more sweet, then add more sugar. That part you can completely play around with. And then we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of water and then a squeeze of a half of a lemon. Sometimes we do a full lemon. Like I said, it depends on if I want it, you know, more zangy or not. And then we're gonna do 1 strip of zest from the lemon and from the orange. Now, if you want it a little bit more zesty, you add more zest. Honestly, this whole thing is easy to play around with. So it's completely up to you and how you like it. And then we're just gonna put it on a medium to low heat, and we're just gonna babysit it until everything starts to wilt down. Now, of course, we want to stir occasionally. We don't want it to burn, but pretty much this is the texture that it starts to turn into. It's kind of like a jelly, but still a little saucy. If you want it a little bit more saucy, then add some more water. It's completely up to you. Like I said, feel free to play around. You can add like jelly to this. You can add whatever you want to it. And then we're going to add the remaining cranberries to the mixture. And we just want that kind of like pop of those. Now, these are a little bit more on the kind of sour but bland side, so if you want to add more sugar, just go to taste, because sometimes these will pop in your mouth and you'll be like, oh, that's a cranberry, because they're not as sweet. So like I said, it's completely up to you to play around with, but we don't want those to get to the same texture as everything else. We want them to kind of hold their shape. But pretty much that's it, and it's done. All gluten-free, and to be honest, I like it way better than the can, but of course, that's just me being biased. But look at them. Oh, it's so good. Man, I can't wait for Thanksgiving. But let me know if you guys give this a try, and I hope you guys enjoy. Oh, I love cranberries. They're like icing on the cake. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. But if not, that's fine. You're welcome back anytime. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Like I said, anything else that you need gluten-free for Thanksgiving, it will be in the playlist down below, so go ahead and check it out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy your festivities and get to eat abundance of food, even though we are gluten-free. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.